Hello guys! Today, dito kami sa Mount Olis. Ang Mount Olis, itawag din dati doon noon dito is the Parrot Mountain because ang dami-daming parrots dito noong unang panahon. This place is like 1.5 hours to 2 hours from Baguio City. Comfortable driving na yon. Pero pagdating mo dito, you have to go here in time for sunrise. Tingnan nyo naman guys, sa daan pa lang, super worth it na yung travel nyo. In time for sunrise, makikita nyo yung different shades of the sunrise dito sa parang peak ng Mount Olis. Ang daming flowers na super ganda at super colorful na usually hindi mo to makikita sa ibang places in the Philippines. So, a place to go itong Mount Olis. Tapos, grabe, ngayong October end to November, hindi namin alam na ganito pala kalamig. Tingnan nyo guys, naka-shorts lang kami kaya nanginginig na si Dudes. Grabe! So, napabili tuloy kami ng gloves at saka neck warmers. Grabe.